What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Nvidia. So the market continues to slide today. Nvidia is down almost 5% on the day. Now, I know a lot of new traders are really going to be, kind of a little nervous about what's going on, right? So you got to kind of like take a step back, understand where we came from, realistically. If I kind of pull up the daily time frame here, look at where we came from, guys. Look at where we came from just in a matter of 2 weeks, right? 2.5 weeks. So we came from a spot of reclaiming the 20 SMA here on the 10th of January. Price was sitting at around $155 to $160. Currently, Nvidia's high price was 203, guys. So 203 was the high price on Nvidia. We are talking about a 40-point move in a matter of 2-3 weeks, guys. We need that healthy back test, guys. We need, to see some consolidation. We need that for the bulls. Right now, if we do decide to go lower, so be it, but at least we're going to be ready for that move lower, right? So if I kind of get into the hourly candlesticks here, we can see the daily chart here getting ready to test this 126 low here. Now, if we do start to break, you're going to see what I'm talking about here in the 1 hour candlesticks. So if we look at this 192.85 area here, we have to kind of see this and understand that this area is going to act as a little bit of support. Now, from now, it would be a little bit of a chase trying to get in on Nvidia as we're currently down almost $10 on the day. But if Nvidia starts to give up 192.85, that's going to present a fantastic short opportunity for you to potentially make some money here. Now, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to teach you guys, trying to focus and trying to emphasize, we're not looking for the home run trade. We're not looking to catch the 30-40 point move. If you've got the what to kind of hold and sit through drawdown, more kudos to you. But myself, I understand that, I'm not that type of trader. I'm not that type of person where I'm going to be able to hold through the ups and downs. I need, smaller moves, and I need them to happen very, very quickly. So if I look at what's going on here, I'm okay with the price action on Nvidia today. I actually did put in a pivot today on Nvidia to the short side. Some of the people in my community took it. I was actually in a short position on Tesla as well as Netflix today with one of the other students, members / traders that's in the Discord community as well. But Nvidia is going to be a high focus for me going into the rest of this week, because what I'm looking for here is, as we come into this demand zone, are we going to bounce? And if we do bounce, I want to see some type of rejection to stay under that $200 area. And if we can get that rejection under that $200 area, anywhere between here and $200 is completely fine. When we do start to crack and give up 192.85, I'm going to go all in. Okay. And that's going to be a sufficient enough trade. It should be a sufficient enough trade to make my P&L for the day, let alone the week, right? So that's what we kind of have to do. We have to be patient. We have to allow these trades to come to us. And when they do, because we've already done our homework, we can be ready to execute on these trades. A lot of new traders have a problem executing on trades because you've got too much going on up here. You're looking at everything that's going on out there. You're looking at someone else's, 100% winner on a contract that is, 100 points out of the money, and they're bragging on social media. You're looking at, stock twits. You're looking at YouTube. You're looking at, maybe you're in multiple different discords. You're looking at all of this noise. But if you don't know how to take all of that noise and kind of block it out and actually learn technical analysis to where you can be able to find these trade setups on your own and allow these trades to come for you, think about it. So what I'm looking for here, 193.52 is the day's lows, looking to try to test the previous hour candle here, getting very, very close to that mark. I'd like to see it come down into this area here. I would expect it to get very, very choppy between 192.85 and 193.50. I could see us holding this level for today, maybe doing some type of bounce in the after hours or pre-market session, and then I would look for that follow through tomorrow through that 192.80 spot, right? If we get that follow through 192.80 spot, definitely going to be a good looking trade for me to kind of get involved in here. Now on the long side, I'm really not looking to take any sort of bounces here. For all of you guys that like scalping, there might be a sneaky area here. If we do hold this spot, we get over 194.58, you're going to have room into 195.80. So about $1 worth of room there. Make sure you're taking profits here. Last thing you want to do is be in the green, get stuffed here, and then have it roll over on you. Again, scalpers, if you're an experienced scalper, you kind of already know what you're doing. So I'm not really going to speak to you guys. I'm going to speak to everyone else kind of looking for the macro moves and the macro trends. That's what I'm looking for. Hope this video helps. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, I'm going to be doing some lives right? I'm going to be going live either pre-market, intraday, or after the market is closed. But I'm going to be doing some lives. I did one this morning, kind of went over some basics on some stocks that I was watching so far. Most of those ones came into play. Nvda, Tesla, Netflix, and there was one more in there. Let me just kind of quickly look at the Discord here. So we were looking at Nvidia, Netflix, Tesla, and AMD. So all of those ones pretty much hit. Again, we had to be a little bit patient off the open, maybe wait 45 minutes before those shorts came into play. But once they came into play, we were really able to kind of capitalize on those shorts. And that's the thing, guys. You want to be able to capitalize on your homework. So you want to stay patient enough. You don't want to, split your and make an adjustment on your bias just simply because you were thinking short and the market opened up green or the stock started to push higher. That's not what you want to do. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You're going to want to stick around if you're going to want to make some money on this next bull run or on this next big leg down. Hope that information helps you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.